we picked a paint color. You want to know what it is? It is Edgecomb Gray by Benjamin Moore. I don't know if you can tell. Woo, woo. Finally, after probably 12 samples, finally picked it. And we're excited. We got the primer and we got 2 gallons of paint and ready to get going on this thing. And our countertops are supposed to be in tomorrow, so we are going to go pick those up. I'm off work tomorrow, so I can do this, and things are going to start going really fast now. Like, I'm super excited. Apparently, there has been a lot of controversy about us taking out our dishwasher, and I'm going to explain our reasonings for our family on why we did that. Okay, right now we have my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter that live with us, but typically they don't. And it's just me and my husband. And even if we could have gotten to the dishwasher, it would have made no sense for us to use it. We've always hand washed stuff, or at least since our kids have been out of the house, we've always hand washed stuff because there's just not that many dishes to do. And I kind of enjoy hand washing. It kind of gives me a little bit of a breather in the day. For me, if we're gonna use the dishwasher, I want it to be a full load, or because you know those pods are expensive, and I want it to be full. And the amount of dishes that we use, it would take us, I don't know, a month to get a full load, and then we would just have smelly dishes in there, and that does not appeal to me at all. So hand washing it is for me. And if the people who, I hope we stay here, but if the people who buy it or live in this after us want a dishwasher, they can take that out. Or they can put it somewhere else that works, because it did not work here. So I hope that answers the questions on why we got rid of the dishwasher and didn't move it somewhere else. We just don't need it. It doesn't work for our family. So every inch of this kitchen has to work for us because it is small, and I'm gonna make it work. Getting all the doorknobs off so we can wipe down the cabinets with the special cleaner. I think it's called TSP or TSP. We're going to use this to clean the surfaces really good, and it kind of deglosses. So, which I don't think there's really anything for us to degloss, but it'll help. So, we're gonna do that. We're gonna wear gloves. We're gonna clean those really good, and then we can prime. Guys, I forgot to record when we started, but we started priming. And look at the difference between this side and this side. Excuse everything in the cabinets. That's the reason why we are doing this, to get our kitchen organized and clean. Okay, we've primed almost all the tops, and it looks like a completely different kitchen already. This is crazy. And you know, there, here's the side. Which, of course, this is not the actual paint color. It's just the primer, but you could tell what lightening it up is gonna do. Like, the walls look so good. I mean, our kitchen's an absolute disaster right now, but it's gonna look so good. Huh, honey?
Yep.
So, this is probably the last update for the day. This is what it looks like now. A completely different kitchen. Everything stands out now. It's kind of wild, but looks great. And don't worry, yes, we're going to be taking those off to do the priming. We're just being lazy right now and getting as much done as we can while it's on there. Hi guys, it's Saturday morning and I'm in overalls, so I guess that means we're gonna have to do something to the kitchen. As you can tell, the cabinets are painted. They look wonderful. It actually made this kitchen look so much bigger. Guys, like it really looks so good. Our granddaughter keeps coming in here and saying, "Oh, it's so pretty." It's really cute, but what we've done, we've painted all the cabinets. We top and bottom, trim, you know, anything that was in here. Here's what we have to do. We have to put the hardware back on to the cabinets. We have to rip out the countertops and put the new butcher blocks, which we have to cut those also. So, oof, it's a little scary. And take out the backsplash. So those are the three main things that we have to do. Everything else is going to be decorating, which is my favorite, but you have to have a base to decorate off of. So hardware time. This is the same hardware we had on it last time. These are the knobs from Amazon, which I think are absolutely adorable, and they're pretty heavy. And then these are the pulls, and I love them, and I'll link them below. I think half of my groceries in the cabinets are painted because we didn't really take anything out. We paint the frame, but we did take the doors off. We have an overcast today, so you can't see very well. But, oh, guys, I love this. Look at that. Look at that. Guys. Guys. This seriously looks so good. Like, I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of my husband and for doing all that he did, but we did so well. Guys, this looks good. I'll give you some details, but very exciting stuff. It is still Saturday, and we're about to put in the overhead light. This is the base. And what it looks like, it's a little bit bright and a little orangey, so I'm probably going to use some rub and buff on it. Not today, but I probably will if I get that toned down just a little bit. And this is the glass bowl globe that goes under it. It's pretty big, but it's just very simple. I almost wanted it to be see-through, just not noticeable. I don't want it to be a big statement. I want it to be very demure. There was so much that was going on. I just want to calm everything down. So excited to see what that's going to look like, and I'll show you next. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. Trying to get ready for church, but thought I would give y'all an update. We did install the new light, but it's not what I wanted. It's really cute. I like it. I'm going to use it for another area of the house. It's just not what I wanted for the kitchen. So the other light should come this week from Murphy. But I'll show you real quick what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's just too much of one thing in the lights, so I got to watch that. So we weren't able to get the countertops in, my dog, but we're going to probably this week. So in the next video you'll see all the finishing touches, but we cannot wait to be done and start decorating. And my dogs are everywhere. It's morning time and they love the morning. Okay. I'm trying to keep my dogs quiet behind me, so we'll see how that works. And as you can tell, the first light that I put up did not like. So I love the light itself. It just did not look right with what I was going for. So, you know, it is okay to pivot. It is okay to change your mind in the middle. You know, you don't have to be so strict with yourself. And the light we ended up getting, the second one, we actually like 10 times better. Like, it puts out more light, it's more functional, and we love it. So the next steps will be countertops and then the backsplash. And then we're done as far as in, you know, taking things out and assembling the rest of it, because when we do the countertops, we're gonna cut out the new sink, and the new sink will go in at the same time. So that's part of it. But I got the sconces and they're amazing. I love them. And we did some tricks because there is, you know, of course, you've probably seen the puck-like trick for sconces, and we did that for over the sink so we can see, because we don't have a lot of lighting in there. Today I'm going to go start buying some more decor for the kitchen, and I'm super excited about that. You know, I love shopping. But January has been my no Goodwill month, so I have not letting myself go to Goodwill. So instead I'm going to go to other stores. But honestly, it has stopped me from going anywhere. So it's been good to just kind of slow down, because I usually go to Goodwill 2 or 3 times a week, but I get good deals. So, you know, in the next video, you're going to see everything installed. I don't know if we'll actually film the install, but you will see it. And it's going to be the reveal of the kitchen. So I hope you like it. I'm so excited to show y'all what I have in here. And if anyone has any questions on what I'm doing, where I'm getting anything, please ask. If you want to know like my thought process on what I'm going to decorate, why I'm picking each, because we do have an open concept, so everything has to flow. This is a small farmhouse, so our living room is right here. I'm in the dining room, so you see how close that is. And the kitchen is, I don't know, 12 feet from me. So, you know, we've got, everything has to flow together and has to commingle, and all, you know, one room can't be a different whole color scheme than the rest of the house. They have to all blend, or it would just not look good. But if you have any questions on any of this, please let me know. I love getting questions. If I get enough, I might do a Q&A, because we have gotten a lot more subscribers lately, which makes me so happy. I appreciate it, and you know, I have goals for 2023, and we're going to rock this year. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait to show y'all the next video. It's going to be so good. I am excited. I'm super excited. You know, this is literally a farmhouse. It's a colonial farmhouse. It built in 1906. So farmhouse is not really my style. Country is my style. I like country, and I like country and contemporary kind of mixed together. I like probably more English cottage type, but not 100%. I have my own style, I think, but I'm very happy with the way the house is going, and we're pivoting here and there, seeing some things that we're living with that we're like, oh, well, maybe we need to change that a little bit, and that's fine. You could do that. But I have an entire mood board, which I'll put up here, for the house, kind of like an overall feel that I want for the house to be. Nothing that's in it that's particular that I want. It's just the feel. So you probably hear my dogs. It helps a lot when you know kind of like what colors, themes you're wanting to go with. You do not have to pick one or two colors. Actually, I'm begging you, don't pick one or two colors. Pick a 4 or 5 different colors, and make sure if they're all desaturated, have one pop of color. Or if they're all bright, have something that's base like black or brown that is really like the weight of it. I don't know how else to explain it, but have fun with it. This is your house. You want to go home and be happy and comfortable every day, and enjoy it. But we will see you in probably 2 weeks. That's right now with my work schedule. That is all I'm going to be able to put videos out, is every other week. So I'm going to try eventually to get that down to every week, but right now I just want to be consistent and get y'all out a video every other week, no matter what. So expect that in 2 weeks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you later.